Hello and welcome to this comprehensive guide on real estate investing for beginners. In this video, we will explore the basics of real estate investing and provide you with plenty of examples to help you understand the concepts more effectively. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of real estate investing and will be equipped to make informed investment decisions. So, let's get started. Real estate investing refers to the purchase, ownership, management, rental, and/or sale of real estate properties for profit. There are many different forms of real estate investing, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties, among others. Real estate can be a lucrative investment, providing the investor with a steady stream of passive income and long-term wealth-building opportunities. Before we dive into the different forms of real estate investing, let's first look at the advantages of real estate investing. Firstly, real estate is a tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, you can touch and see a property, making it easier to understand and appreciate its value. Secondly, real estate has the potential to provide a steady stream of passive income through rental property. Real estate has the potential for long-term appreciation, meaning that the value of the property can increase over time, leading to significant profits for the investor. Now that you have a better understanding of the advantages of real estate investing, let's look at the different forms of real estate investing. 1. Residential real estate investing. This refers to the purchase and management of single-family homes, apartments, or condominiums for the purpose of renting them out. Residential real estate investing is a popular form of real estate investing as it is relatively simple to understand and manage. For example, if you purchase a single-family home for $200,000 and rent it out for $1,500 per month, you will generate a monthly passive income of $1,500. 2. Commercial real estate investing. This refers to the purchase and management of commercial properties such as office buildings, shopping centers, or industrial warehouses. Commercial real estate investing can be more complex than residential real estate investing, but it also has the potential to provide higher return. For example, if you purchase a commercial office building for $5 million and rent it out to multiple tenants, you could potentially generate a significant passive income each month. 3. Industrial real estate investing. This refers to the purchase and management of industrial properties, such as factories, warehouses, or distribution centers. Industrial real estate investing can be less popular than residential or commercial real estate investing, but it can still provide substantial return. For example, if you purchase a large warehouse for $10 million and rent it out to a manufacturing company, you could potentially generate a significant passive income each month. There are also many other opportunities in real estate investing, such as flipping properties, development, and real estate investment trusts, among others. So, how do you get started in real estate investing? The first step is to educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, and talk to experienced real estate investors to gain a better understanding of the market and the different forms of real estate investing. Next, create a plan and set realistic goals for your investment. Finally, do your research and carefully analyze the potential investment before making a decision. Real estate investing can be a great way to build long-term wealth and generate passive income. Whether you're interested in residential, commercial, or industrial properties, there are many opportunities to invest in real estate and achieve your financial goal. We hope this comprehensive guide on real estate investing for beginners will provide you with a solid foundation to start your investment journey. Real estate investing is not a get-rich quick scheme, and it takes time, effort, and patience to achieve success. With the right knowledge, strategy, and discipline, real estate investing can provide you with a secure financial future. We recommend starting small and gradually increasing your investment portfolio as you gain more experience and confidence. Don't be afraid to seek advice from experts and always be willing to learn and grow. The key to success in real estate investing is to continuously educate yourself, set realistic goals, and have a solid investment strategy in place. Always remember to do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. This includes researching the property and its location, as well as considering factors such as market trends, economic conditions, and rental demand. It is also important to have a solid understanding of the financial aspects of real estate investing, including cash flow, expenses, and potential returns. Be patient and stay committed to your investment goals. Real estate investing is a long-term strategy, and it may take time to see significant returns. However, by staying disciplined and focused, you can build a successful real estate investment portfolio that will provide you with financial security and independence. It's also important to have a well-diversified portfolio. Diversification helps spread out risk and can help ensure that you are not overly exposed to any one investment. This is especially important in real estate investing, where market conditions and local economic factors can greatly impact the performance of a property. By diversifying your portfolio, you can help minimize your risk and increase the stability of your investments. Another key factor in real estate investing is to have a solid understanding of the legal and tax implications of your investments. This includes understanding local zoning laws, property tax rates, and rental regulations. It's also important to have a good understanding of the tax implications of owning rental properties, including deductions for expenses such as mortgage interest, property management fees, and depreciation. It's also crucial to have a solid network of professionals who can support you in your real estate investment journey. This includes real estate agents, property managers, attorneys, and accountants. These professionals can provide valuable insights, advice, and support to help you make informed investment decisions and achieve your investment goals. Real estate investing can be a lucrative and rewarding investment strategy, but it requires careful planning, research, and discipline. By staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, and seeking out the support of professionals, you can increase your chances of success in real estate investing. It's also important to have a well-defined exit strategy in place. An exit strategy is a plan for how you plan to dispose of your investment property in the future, whether that's through a sale, refinance, or some other means. Having a clear exit strategy in place can help you make informed decisions about when to buy and sell properties, and can help you avoid potential pitfalls along the way. Having a solid exit strategy, it's also important to regularly review and adjust your investment strategy as needed. This includes monitoring your investment portfolio, analyzing market trends, and adjusting your investment strategy to take advantage of new opportunities and minimize risk. Another key aspect of real estate investing is to stay organized. This includes keeping detailed records of your investments, expenses, and income, as well as tracking your progress towards your investment goals. Having a well-organized system in place can help you stay on top of your investments, minimize your risk, and maximize your returns. It's important to stay motivated and maintain a positive outlook, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. Real estate investing can be a complex and challenging field, but with the right knowledge, strategy, and discipline, you can achieve your investment goals and build a successful real estate investment portfolio. In conclusion, real estate investing for beginners can be a daunting task, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be a rewarding and lucrative investment strategy. By staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, seeking out professional support, and staying organized and motivated, you can increase your chances of success in real estate investing. Best of luck! Like, comment, and subscribe